Invest or pass?
Blue chip stocks.
Invest because these companies are established, meaning to say mas nindot ang ilang financials and long-term magbuhi jud sila. Examples of these kay BDO, Globe, SM, Ayala, and many others.
Dividend stocks.
Invest because ako manggod ganahan ko makadawat og kwarta habang I own the asset.
Penny stocks.
Pass because dili ko ganahan og speculative kayo, especially sa penny stocks. It's kind of difficult to get out because of liquidity.
Jewelry.
Pass. I buy jewelries like watches for personal use. I don't invest for the sake to sell it at a higher price.
REITs.
Invest because it's dividend paying and it's backed by real estate. Sama sa A-REIT, M-REIT, RCR, C-REIT, etc.
Crypto.
Invest, but particularly sa Bitcoin and Ethereum.
Pag-ibig MP2.
Pass for me because dili ko ganahan mag-invest sa mga butang na mo lock in ang kwarta, particularly sa Pag-ibig MP2 na 5 years siya. Though taas ang yang dividend, maabot siya 7.10% as of this recording, and it's tax-free. So it may be invest for some people, but for me, it's a pass.
Mutual funds.
Pass because naamagod siya mga management fees, naapod siya early redemption fees and all these other fees.
Bonds.
Pass for me because naapod siya mga lock-in period, usually mga 2, 3, or even 5 years. And kanang mga earnings na makuha na to diya, makuha po na mo siya sa laing butang.
Index funds.
Pass because ang index manggod sa PSEI kay sideways lang iyahang trend for the past 10 years. In the US, like S&P 500, invest. Pero PSEI, pass lang.
Cooperatives.
Invest kay dako ang ilang dividends sa ginahatag, though depende pod sa klaseng cooperative na imuhang sudlan. So you have to do your own research about it first. But if it has good fundamentals and financials, invest.
Digital savings account.
Invest. What I like about digital savings account kay you can treat it as an emergency fund and an investment fund at the same time. So habang wala pa emergencies na hitabo, nakatubo ang imong kwarta, and kung kinahanglan po nimong emergencies, you can withdraw the money anytime.
Insurance.
Invest because ang insurance mga is really more of a protection. Ang iyang investment factor is kung VUL ang magikuha. At least na kay peace of mind, that's what you're really investing in.
Real estate.
Invest, especially if you have a lot of extra cash. Mupalit kag house and lot. For me, I really like kung kanang mupuyo lang ka sa house and lot, and the rest of your money you can invest in different investments na makahatag sa imong earnings. Condo, it can be an investment for Airbnb na iba nila nila mindset. Kung awas-awas jud ang kwarta din, pwede kayo magpatukod kag building, residential, commercial kana.
Business.
Definitely invest because you have more control. As long as you have the capacity to become a business person, kabalo ka mo himong products, kabalo ka mag-offer services, mas dako jud kayo ang chance sa mulahutay ka.